So hello guys, today we will be seeing that how to download Python. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to log into the website python.org. Then you will find the download option here and we will go here all releases. Here also you will get the latest version you can download from here. But other than that, you can go to all releases and here you can get all the releases, all the versions, all the available Python versions we have from day one to the today. So here all the versions are listed. You can download any of the version as per your requirement. Okay, so today we will be downloading the latest version, which is nothing but 3.8.5. So here we can download this for Windows, for Linux, for Mac, and for another operating system. So here today we will be downloading this for Windows. So for that we will click here. Once you will click here, the another page will open, which will ask you that what kind of operating system you have, and on the basis of that operating system which Python installer you want to download. So for that we will see that my computer, my OS is having the 64-bit OS. My computer, my OS is having 64-bit OS. So system type is 64, x64 based processor. Sometime for some of the candidates it will be 32-bit. If it is 32-bit, it is recommended to download any of the version from here, and if it's 64-bit, then it is recommended to download the version anything from here. So mine is 64, so we can choose any of the three options. So we can download the zip, we can download the exe installer, as well as we can download the web based installer. So here we will be seeing that how we can download the exe. So to download the exe, we will click here, Windows 86 64 executable installer. So once we will click here, so the exe will start downloading, and here at bottom we can see that exe is downloading, and it is only 26 MB approximately, and it is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, click on the folder. Here it is showing, and when it is showing, so just double click over here, and as soon as we will double click, this pop-up will come. It will show you that what kind of option you want to choose. Either we want to choose the install now. If with install now, it is including the ideally pip documentation. It means it is the recommended setting automatically will be taken care by the setup. And if you want to explicitly customize the settings as per our need, then in that case we have this customize installation. So we will go with install now, but before that, always recommended to click on this add Python 3.8 to path. So what it will do is it will add your path into the environment variables so that you can access the Python from anywhere of your system. Otherwise, explicitly we have to set the Python path into the environment variable. So we clicked on this add Python and we click on install now, as we want to install all the recommended settings automatically. We didn't choose the customize option because we are new and we don't know that what all things is good and not good for us. So that at initial stage we are just going with install now, and as soon as we click on install now, we can see that there are many suites, many modules, many libraries are automatically downloading on our system. Not downloading, in fact installing. So Python 3.8.5 documentation is also installing. So this is 64-bit, that's why my system is 64-bit. That's why we download the 64-bit PVM. PVM is nothing but Python virtual machine. So the set is known as a PVM. So yes, that is going, and it is showing setup progress. This is Python for Windows. So if you want to install the Python on Linux machine, then we have to download the separate version of Python, which is specifically for Linux. So although Python is platform independent, but this PVM is platform dependent, and for each specific OS we need to download the separate installer. So here we can see now it is installing Bootstrap. So Python 3.8.5 PIP Bootstrap for 64-bit. So PIP is simply the command which is used to install any of the module over the system. So but yeah, this is not understanding of this PIP is not required now, because we are in initial stage, and we are only learning that how we can download and install Python. And at the end, it is adding to part. And now setup was done. Now simply close this. And now if we type cmd, and if I type python space hyphen hyphen version, then I can see that there's a version of python 3.8.5 is there. So but prior to download, if we are trying to hit python hyphen hyphen version, it will show that python is not known as an internal or external command, but because at that time python was not there, but now python is there, so it is showing me the version. As well as if I try to search python, I will have the options available here. If I click the python dos, it will be open, and if I try python high, it will give me the output as a high. So it means the python is working on my computer. So that's all for today.